It is ironic that as a meditation mentor, I am recommending to skip sitting still. I do this for a very good reason. I know that meditation is a very complicated and challenging journey to begin. You've started to meditate to reduce your stress, calm your mind, or make yourself happier. But sitting down on a pillow without proper self awareness activities or exercises is the hard way to get any results. In this video, I will share 5 powerful self awareness activities that you can do instead of sitting still. They will all improve your health, your mind or mental state, and also help you to connect to your soul. Meditation or sitting still is a powerful skill to have to transform our entire self, but it's being used for things that can easily be accomplished without sitting still. Just as if we are using our cell phones, this is a very powerful gadget with a lot of capabilities to just make phone calls. So if your goal is to reduce your stress, calm your mind, and become a happier person, you can easily do this with self awareness activities. Sitting still with a chaotic mind and also not knowing what to do is a recipe for more confusion and more frustration. The following 5 activities are super activities. As there are superfoods, these are super activities, and I call them super moves because they're all going to align your mind, body, and soul at the same time. So if you can fill up your day with as many of these types of activity, then you might never find a need to sit still or practice meditation. The first activity is dance. By dance, I mean moving your body to the beat of the music that moves your heart. This is a solo activity that you can do anywhere, anytime. This activity will bring your mind, body, and soul together at the same time and benefits all. Similar activities are all solo sport activities like swimming, jogging, running, walking, climbing, hiking, and many more. The second activity is gardening, or at least raising a plant. Play with the soil, plant the seed, give it the proper care and nourishment, and watch it grow. Your heart, body, and mind will be pleased at the same time. You can do your vegetable garden, you can do herb garden, you can do flower pots, and you can do even fruit trees. The third activity, which is not too common, is to flirt with yourself. When you first see yourself in the morning, it doesn't matter what you look like in the morning or any time. You just acknowledge to see yourself and be happy that you're seeing yourself. You just blow a kiss, hug yourself, and wink at yourself or smile at yourself, and just acknowledge that you are seeing or looking at the person that you love the most in this entire world. Your body, mind, and soul will remember this action for the rest of the day and will be pleased to have this acknowledgement from yourself. What do you think about this super move? Have you done it before? And if you done it, how often do you do it? And what do you feel afterwards? The fourth activity is to use our hands to express our heart's creativity. I believe that our hands are the best tool to express our inner genius. So put them to work and create something. Put a puzzle together, paint, draw, sew, bake, play a musical instrument, or learn a new skill that you always wanted to learn. Your body will express what your heart desires while keeping your mind busy. You will lose track of time if your focus is on your creation. The fifth activity, which is very common activity, is to cook from scratch. You can go to the market, grab your fresh vegetables and produce and bring it home, prepare it, and put some labor of love to prepare your meal with passion. Think of creating your food or eating your food as a spiritual activity that nourishes, that improves, or empowers and elevates your body, mind, and soul at the same time. Now I need to know why you really want to meditate. Is it one, because you want to improve yourself, your life, your relationship, and make yourself a happier person? Or two, because you want to achieve higher spirituality or dig in deeper within yourself to know yourself better. If you're unsure, watch this next video in which I share the major or main two differences between the two so you can get clear understanding of how you can get results or what kind of results you want from your meditation practice. And I'll see you there.